Namaskaram and welcome to Dhanyam's Organic Kitchen. Festivals are around the corner, so today we'll see how to prepare brown Channa Sundal. Let's see the list of ingredients needed to make this healthy snack. Brown Channa 1 cup, Channa Dal 1 tablespoon, Dhania 1 tablespoon, dry chilies 3, water 2 cups, oil 1 tablespoon, mustard 1 teaspoon, hing a pinch, salt as required, grated coconut 2 tablespoons, curry leaves a few. Now let's see how to prepare. First, you pour 2 cups of water in a pressure cooker and add soaked brown channa, add a bit of salt to it, let it cook for 7 to 8 whistles. Heat the kadai and add dhania, chana dal and dry chilies and roast them for a few minutes till nice aroma comes. Let it cool and grind it to a coarse powder. Now add oil to the kadai and add mustard and hing and curry leaves. Then add the cooked chana. Remember, when you drain the chana or any sundal variety, you can use the water to cook rasam or soup. It gives an added punch of nutrition, taste and flavor to that. Add the coarsely grounded powder. And here we have our nutritious sundal ready. Enjoy it, and you please try it and let me know how it came for you. Thank you for watching Dhanyam's Organic Kitchen, and we are looking forward to meeting you in our next episodes.